Hello everyone, today we're exposing Opaline Mart, another fake online shop that just launched in November 2025 with trust scores of 8 to 19 out of 100 and victims reporting stolen money and never receiving orders. This is a scam you need to avoid. Let's break it down. So Opaline Mart looks professional at first glance, selling watches, handbags, knit beanies, and home products at suspiciously low prices. The site uses Spotify, has an SSL certificate, and appears legitimate. But don't be fooled, all these elements can be easily faked. Here's the truth. Scam Detector gives Opaline Mart a trust score of just 18.9 out of 10, labeling it as new, suspicious, and dubious. Grindingsoft rated it even lower at about 8 out of 100, classifying it as unsafe, with multiple red flags that compromise trustworthiness and user safety. The website was registered in November 2025 and it expires in 1 year. This shows it's an easily disposable website designed to scam people quickly then disappear. Trustworthy stores don't set up shop for just 12 months. Multiple customers report lengthy delays in receiving orders, while some never receive them at all. Opaline Mart provides tracking information that is either fake or leads to a dead end, leaving customers in the dark. Even worse, they continue charging customers cards after initial purchase without authorization. The payment methods lack necessary encryption and security measures to protect sensitive financial information, putting shoppers at risk of identity theft and unauthorized transactions. Several victims report having their credit card information stolen after making purchases. First, the prices are too good to be true. They offer products at a fraction of the market value, a common tactic employed by scam websites to attract victims. If a designer watch normally costs $500 and they're selling it for $49, it is fake. Second, no legitimate contact information. A trustworthy online store should provide a clear physical address, phone number, and email. Opaline's Mart contact details are hidden behind privacy protection services, making it impossible to reach anyone. Third, the site uses a hidden ownership information called contact privacy in customer registrations, meaning you have no idea who actually runs the store. Legitimate businesses are transparent about their identity. Fourth, stolen product photos. Investigations reveal that Opaline uses images from legitimate retailers and brands without permission, showing you high quality items they'll never deliver. In the final verdict, Opaline Mart is a complete scam. Do not shop here under any circumstances. The extremely low trust scores, 1 year disposable domain, hidden ownership, fake tracking, and victim reports make this abundantly clear. If you want legitimate online shopping, stick to established retailers with verified reviews, transparent contact information, and years of proven track record. If a deal is too good to be true, it usually is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.